This is my journey in Walmart.
Alright.
Alyssa's the driver.
Yeah.
And I'm in the shopping cart.
I was, but she kind of almost made me pee myself. Where's your mother at?
I don't want to go find that bitch. Oh my god!
Ow. Ow. I hit myself.
Let's go look at these ugly ass bras.
Ew.
I'm just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. Oh, hell no.
We're not recording, right?
Yes, I am. Okay, turn. Oh my god. This is so fun. Oh my god. Captain America, bitch. Overalls. Coveralls. Ooh. Stop. You were gonna get kicked out, go. I just like cut my fucking toe open.
This is all good on my hair.
I look all gay-like.
What up? Shopping. Doing some Walmart.
I'll be like, I broke my leg. Your titties are on my head.
You like it?
Oh yeah. I just nailed my head on that.
Dude, that's the bed that Aaron had.
Bro! Oh my god.